Self-inspection and traceability checked out.
And the temperature is holding exactly as required. Good to go.
From ancient hand tanning techniques to the mechanization of the Industrial Revolution, today's facilities produce over
Escaneado, 10.5 kilos. Grado A, listo para proceso.
Ensure these hides are routed directly to Station 4.
Yes, Supervisor. The scanners are calibrated for the density.
.131 texture analysis station utilizes high-resolution digital microscopy systems, magnifying surface structure 50x.
Bruno. Specialized examination station features German-manufactured backlit and
German easily inspector these to assess shark habitat.
The analysis is complete, confirming full REACH and CPSIA compliance.
Excellent. The certificate is ready for documentation.
Defect Mapping Workstation utilizes AutoCAD-based leather mapping systems with defect marking tools. Look at the thickness profiles here, completely inconsistent.
And the acceptance rates have dropped significantly. We have to reject this shipment.
First stage washing operation begins as workers load 500 kilograms of shark hides.
Close-up interior view through the drum's reinforced glass observation port shows shark hides tumbling at 10 RPM, providing gentle mechanical agitation in the cleaning solution.
Integrated water management infrastructure incorporates multi-stage filtration systems, combining mechanical screens, sand filters, and
Primary rinse cycle initiates as 3,500 liters of fresh water at 26 degrees Celsius floods the drum.
Special at Spot Cleaning Station features high-pressure washing equipment delivering 120 bar, generating focused cleaning power through adjustable nozzles with fan spray patterns.
Secondary deep cleaning cycle employs advanced enzymatic cleaning solutions containing protease enzyme at 0.5%.
There are still contaminants visible at 100x magnification.
Agreed. We need to extend the processing cycle.
mechanical dewatering operation employs industrial centrifugal dewatering machines spinning at 800 RPM, carefully processing the thoroughly cleaned shark hides.
Inspection complete. No contaminants or damage found. Proceeding with documentation.
All parameters met, pH is good, moisture content confirmed.
Perfect. We can release the batch to soaking.
Shark hides remain fully immersed in the soaking solution for 12 to 16 hours, while paddle-style mechanical agitators operating at 20 RPM.
A group of African-American female workers carefully lift the thoroughly re-shark hides using a two-suit.
10.40. Liming processing begins as workers load batches of 400-500.
The ongoing chemical reaction as the alkaline liming solution works on shark hide surfaces, loosening hair and grain layer, while the hides...
See the progressive changes here? The swelling indicates we should reduce the liming time.
I concur.
Skilled East Asian professionals manage the shark hide materials through mechanical removal of subcutaneous.
Industrial fleshing, cutting and splitting operations process shark leather through removal.
Comprehensive testing laboratories where leather technicians apply industry expertise combined with modern analytical instruments. Industrial-scale fleshing and splitting operations process shark leather utilizing high-capacity processing equipment.
Check the temperature on drum 3.
Holding steady at 35 Celsius. pH levels are stable.
Ensure the chromium feed rate is precise. Check the chromium levels on vat 3.
Levels are stable, within sustainable limits.
Advanced wound tanning processing continues in the specialized processing area, where shark hides undergo chemical stabilization.
The real-time monitoring shows we are exceeding the environmental standards again this quarter. That ensures our sustainable.
Computerized control systems and precision instruments verify dimensional accuracy at each checkpoint.
Professional chromium tanning processing proceeds as skilled operators manage the shark hide materials through chemical stabilization and leather formation.
The automated system achieved perfect color saturation on this shark hide.
And the lab results confirm the uniformity standard.
Advanced dyeing and color application continues in the specialized processing area, where shark hides undergo pigment penetration and color uniformity.
Advanced dyeing and color application continues in the specialized processing area, where shark hides undergo pigment.
The color uniformity is excellent on this batch.
Yes, the automated inspection confirms optimal pigment penetration.
Angry shark hide process. Equal to pigment
The pigment penetration on the shagreen looks uniform.
Confirmed. The automated system is holding steady at 99.8% consistency.
Industrial-scale dyeing and color application operations process shark leather through pigment penetration and color uniformity, utilizing high.
Sophisticated dyeing and color application facility handles shark hide processing through pigment penetration and color uniform.
Parameters are all green across the board. The computer control is flawless.
Agreed. These components meet the exacting standards for the briefcases.
Advanced drying and conditioning operations continues in the specialized processing area using industrial-grade.
The moisture levels are stabilizing within tolerance.
Good. The robotic sprayers are calibrated correctly for this batch.
Industrial-scale drying and conditioning operations process shark leather through moisture removal and dimensional stability.
Sophisticated drying and conditioning operations facility handles shark hide processing through moisture removal and
The texture looks consistent with the 10.92 standard.
Data confirms optimal moisture removal.
Industrial-scale drying and conditioning operations process shark leather through moisture removal and dimensional.
It's 10.95.
Advanced drying. The fiber structure here is flawless. It passed the tensile strength test with flying colors.
Excellent. We can approve this batch for the premium line.
Very good.
Advanced softening and mechanical processing continues in the specialized processing area, where shark hides undergo fiber.
Sound and mechanical processing proceed as skilled East Asian female.
Industrial-scale softening and mechanical processing, utilizing high-capacity equipment and precision measurement instruments.
sophisticated softening and mechanical processing facility handles shark hide processing through fiber manipulation and
Advanced softening and mechanical processing continues in the specialized processing area, where shark hides. Professional softening and mechanical processing proceeds as skilled operators manage the shark hide materials.
Run the stress test again on Sector 4.
Analytical data confirms it meets the rigorous standards for briefcases.
Advanced softening and mechanical processing continues in the specialized processing area, where shark hides under.
Cluster Sector 7. Archie und in News besides using Kennel.
Advanced precision cutting and pattern optimization continues in the specialized processing area, where professional precision cutting and pattern optimization proceeds as skilled operators manage the shark.
The dimensional stability is well within tolerance.
Excellent. These hides are approved for the premium line.
Advanced precision cutting and pattern optimization continues in the specialized processing area. Advanced industrial stitching and assembly continues in the specialized processing area, where shark hides under.
This hide meets the exact thickness requirement for the premium line.
Confirmed. Ready for vacuum seal.